Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to show you in one Gmail account you can create two channels, two YouTube channels. Let's start this vlog. At the first you want to go to the YouTube studio video. Next you going to click on the settings. After settings, coming to the next channel. After channel, select on the advanced settings, and as your requirement you can choose the channel like this. And next you want to scroll this and go to the manage YouTube video account. After clicking on the manage YouTube account, here you can see that option of creating new channel. I will click on the create a new channel. It opens now, and now the new channel is being opened. As you wish which name you want to give, you can give. I am giving as my next YouTube channel as Boss Motography, and next I am to click on that create. Now the channel is created. You can see here channel is being created. Empty channel, yes, nothing is there. I want to fill everything regarding the details and videos extra, all the YT studio also.
After customizing and adding specification to the channel,
now adding the created channel to the main channel. Now go to the channel and open the YouTube studio. Next you want to go to the customization. After going to the customization, you want to scroll down and see that the add section, you want to click on it. After that you want to click on featured channels. Click on it and give a title for what it is required. I had given that subscribe my English channel, and I am giving the name of the created channel, that is Boss Motography. Now I am typing here. We want to type and we want to search it because of lot more of channels are there in the YouTube. That is searching in overall YouTube. Now I am got my channel. I am clicking on it and done with the work. It is shown here. And also we can add the popular videos which are running in our YouTube channel. That one also I am going to show now. Here you can click on popular uploads. That is done. And finally we can see by opening our channel. I will click on the publish now. Now I am opening my YouTube channel. You can see here I am scrolling down now to see this is the new channel which I had created, and again this is the popular videos which in running in my YouTube. If any subscribers want this video in Kannada, I had uploaded in my Boss Vlogs channel. I will give link in the description. Thank you for watching my channel, and please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the Boss Motography.